Beautiful morning. It's a nice garden there. Hey, there's another pool there too.
Yeah, that's the only pool
Oh, yang semalam, yesterday.
that we saw from upstairs.
Oh, nice garden area. Look, you can sit.
Look at this.
Beautiful. The lavender agentata. There's a lot of herbs.
Silver lavender.
There's a lot of herbs here. Nampak ni? Thyme, rosemary, apple tree.
Mana apple tree?
Yeah. So this is the breakfast. Ginepro restaurant. Breakfast room. We have after breakfast. It's a cold morning, huh? Oh, nyapu lidi. Look at the broom. Yeah. Very Mediterranean setup. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Breakfast. Apa dia kata? Buongiorno. Masuk. Let help yourself. So malam is also a restaurant. Look at all the bougainvillea. It's a big area. Oh, breakfast is that side lah. Orang tak bangun lagi. You can sit by the window. Huge selection of breakfast. Pancake, eggs. Chef dia pun tak buat lagi omelette. Crab, hard-boiled egg. And then you have all sorts of apa ni, scrambled egg, bacon, sausages, beans, haram, mushroom boleh, tomato, honeycomb, lovely orange cake, torte, caprese cake, all these regional, torta di carote, carrot cake, cheeses, all the local cheese here. Mozzarella buffa, ricotta inconata. So much of the dates and dry fruits and cereals and all the cold cuts, pork and more pork. I can't have this or this fish, ikan, salmon. You can have this smoked saltfish, smoked salmon. Can make a nice sandwich out of it. Fruits. Oh, you're so healthy having fruits only? Fruta. Let me have a
Then
look.
after that, breakfast, your body become alkaline.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, then I shall have fruits too. All the so much selection. All the local cakes and bread. Croissant. Nice buffet. Where's my nasi lemak? You have nasi lemak? Huh? Yes, we are looking for nasi lemak. Yes, mi goreng tak ada. 7.